Crypto adoption is surging in Turkey, and this is of course amid high inflation. And so in this video we look at why Turkey has such a high crypto adoption rate and whether or not it will be the next crypto hotspot. Today's episode is sponsored by Cake Wallet, where you can send, receive and even exchange your crypto right from within the wallet. Cake Wallet is open source and non-custodial, so you control your own private keys. Available today on iOS, macOS, Android and Linux. Good evening everybody, and thank you for tuning in again. Welcome back to another episode of Enter Crypto with me, Chris Kenyon, and this is the channel where we keep you up to date and fully informed on all the goings on in the cryptoverse every single day. If that sounds like something you'd be interested in, then like, subscribe and click on the notifications bell so that you don't miss out on any future updates. So today we're going to be talking about Turkey, crypto and of course the inflation. Can we call it hyperinflation? Maybe not yet, but it's certainly very high. Now, judging from this article, Binance seems to be super bullish on Turkey and basically Turkey's potential for crypto. They also note that Bitcoin is the most popular cryptocurrency in Turkey. So, as always guys, let's jump straight into the article and we'll give it a quick read through and then we'll comment after. So, with over 50% of crypto engagement, Turkey has emerged as an unexpected crypto hotspot, capturing the interest of Binance's chief marketing officer. Turkey is grappling with high inflation and economic instability, increased crypto adoption, all thanks to the less stringent rules that are allowing the crypto market to flourish. Countries like Turkey, Argentina and the Philippines are shifting their focus to risk assets, all because they have less faith in fiat currency. And the banking system is mainly government controlled. US stringent crypto rules are pushing companies to explore other countries, and Turkey and South Korea's crypto adoption gives a positive vibe to big institutions. Rachel Conlon, the newly appointed Chief Marketing Officer of Binance, the world's largest crypto exchange, has lauded Istanbul as an emerging crypto epicenter. What piqued her interest was not only the city's substantial crypto user base, but also its flourishing ecosystem of startups and investments. Observing the promising trends, Conlon anticipates a surge in Web3 development within Turkey, fueled by the country's impressive crypto adoption rate of 12%, which is significantly more than the global average of 5%. Turkey's lively crypto community stands out as one of the most dynamic, consistently achieving remarkable growth rates. Binance, recognizing the significance of Turkey in the global crypto space, has chosen Istanbul as the host city for the upcoming Binance Blockchain Week in early November. This event aims to bridge the local crypto community with the international Web3 community, fostering collaboration and innovation. While Turkey's crypto adoption is booming, regulatory guidelines are expected to come out gradually. By the end of 2023, the Turkish government plans to introduce its central bank's digital currency, the digital lira. This move will likely increase taxes and more precise regulations for crypto-related activities. However, a complete ban on crypto seems improbable. Regarding crypto preferences, Bitcoin is the clear leader among Turkish investors, with 71% of them holding the digital asset. Ethereum and stablecoins are also favoured choices. The Turkish lira dominates 75% of all fiat volume on Binance. So this is great news. Well, I mean, it's bad news that there's high inflation, but it's great news that the people in Turkey have crypto as a kind of fallback, with everything that's going on and the high prices of everything. And crypto really is, or Bitcoin specifically, is a perfect example of why it's so useful in Turkey. Bitcoin is obviously deflationary, and so whatever happens, that if you've got X amount of Bitcoin, it's not going to be able to be printed into oblivion, and your Bitcoin is not going to be having to compete with new Bitcoin like any savings that you had in lira in the bank. As soon as the government prints a boatload more lira, all that new lira that's just been created out of thin air now is competing with the lira that you've worked for. And so inevitably yours becomes less valuable, which is obviously a total scam. So it's really great to see people taking refuge in crypto, and it's, I love seeing crypto being used like this. There's nothing better than seeing crypto actually being used for its purpose. It's what it was designed to do. Because if you live in a country like Turkey and the lira, you know, your currency that you pay taxes in and that you have to buy your bread and your groceries in and earn your wages in is, you know, doing silly things like this and going up 120% every year, or, you know, that's just, you can't live like that. It's just ridiculous. I actually went to Turkey a few years ago now, and it was quite volatile, the lira then. I mean, it was nowhere near as bad as it is now. But the guy that I would buy I would basically go and buy loads of bottles of water in the morning because it was so hot, and then I would carry them back to my hotel room, and I would get a different price every day that I would go for these 6 bottles of water that I would carry home. I would get a different price from the same guy, and I remember saying to the guy, I was saying to him, you know, I hope you're not ripping me off here because I'm a tourist. And he's like, no, he said, I have to change the price of everything in the shop sometimes 2 or 3 times per day because of the volatility of the lira. He has to do it. So we had a really good chat, and it was really eye-opening because it's almost unbelievable that you would think that could happen in the UK or the US, that that you would that Walmart or Asda in the UK would change the prices 2 or 3 times a day, and bread would be different. You know, such. I mean, I know things go up over time, but for it to go up on the same day or down on the same day was just crazy. But that's what he had to do to protect himself and protect his business. So it really is awful for, because it's very easy to look in when you look at the headlines and see the inflation rate and you see the and it's just numbers and percentages. But when you actually go there, you realise it's very difficult for people to live in it. It's awful. So thankfully we've got crypto, or thankfully the Turks have crypto that they can use, and hopefully that will protect them from any further inflation. So that's the article for today, guys. Thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. Let me know in the comments what you think about crypto's use case in Turkey, and especially if you're Turkish. You know, let me know what it's like there and how you are coping with high inflation. It'd be interesting to see if have got any Turkish subscribers that would be willing to share their story. So that's it from me. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you got some value from this video, and I'll see you all tomorrow evening.